What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, Yoko has just bought a new computer, $2,000, a printer $350, and a scanner $210. She wants to take the monthly payment option. There's a monthly interest of 3% on her purchase. A part is asking, if Yoko pays $100 per month, how long does it take to complete her payments? Okay, now let's see how to find this one. So to find this one, this is the formula. P is equal to P over A IN. We can use this formula. Now first of all, what is P? P value is $2,000 plus this 350, and also we have a scanner that is 210 plus 210, and totally that gives us 2,560. That's our P value. Now instead of this, I forgot to put a right here. A is this one, $100 per month, that is A. Now let's go ahead and plug it in this equation. This is 2,560 is equal to A, that is 100, and instead of this P over A IN, we can use another formula, that is 1 plus 0.03, because 3% interest. 1 plus 0.3 minus 1 over 1.03 power n times 0.03. Now P, if we rearrange this one, that will give us P over A IN is equal to 2,560 divided by 100, that is equal to 25.6. and if we simplify this equation, if this one over this one is equal to this whole thing, and if we simplify and find this equation, 1.03 power n minus 1 over 1.03 power n is equal to 0.768. So n is equal to 49.427, and this is the month, 49.427. Now there's another method you can use to find this one. That is, let's get rid of this. The other method is, n factor, and here we have 2,000 and 350, 210, and previously, if you notice, we found out this value, like in the previous one I showed you. P over A IN is equal to 25.6. I showed you how to calculate this one. It was basically 2,560 divided by 100. Okay, now here what we are going to do is, we are going to look at the values that is close to that in the table. So if you look at the values that is below this 25.6, that is 24.519 in the table, and that value at that time the value of n is 45, and 25.730 at the time the value is 50. Now we are going to find out at what value we can get 25.6. That's what we are getting right now. To do that, this is the formula. This is what we are trying to find. So let's put it as question mark minus 45 divided by 50 minus 45 is equal to 25.6 minus 24.519 over 25.730 minus 24.519. So here you can see this one minus this over this one minus this, that is here, and in the next one we have this one minus this over this one minus this, and from this one we can solve this question mark, and if you solve for this question mark, you will get 49.463. Now here we can solve for A. A is equal to P times A over P, 3%, and actually this is for the A part. A part is month, we calculated right here. Now B part, I saw you two methods. Previously we did it in another method. Now this one was second method. Now let's look at the B part. B part asks, if Yoko wants to finish paying 24 months, how much will be her monthly payment will be? So same equation, but here we will have 24 months. And if you look at this value in the table, you will get this value is basically 0.05905, and that is 2560 times 0.05905. that will gives us 151.168, and that's going to be the monthly payment. Okay, so A is equal to 151.168, and that's it. This is the part B, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.